today na to say on Adom 106.3 FM. If we say be copy we say no do be bono. Na responsibility say dey o mamu komo bono so to me chere wadwena me chere wadwen. Me no Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Dwaso Nsem awodo atodwo enne wo the obokrata awodo no and Thursday September ne the toso edumienu 2019 ye da trading upon Yankopon ase. Daily graphic and the be share daily graphic any man mo say a student loan trust owed 75 million Ghana cedi. Over 55,000 have defaulted since 2012. And another one here says, always travel with relevant documents, and AGRIC will continue receiving priority attention, Finance Minister states at Farmers' Day lunch. And what's on a daily graphic, so they are and day. The business finder say, be among top companies, Dr. Awal tell Ghanaian-owned firms, and mining 1.3 billion Ghana cedi bagged as tax revenue. And what's them Anna the finder the Bokata so Ediabre and Anope. ABC News say exclusive how Heritage Bank tricked BOG to secure licenses in 2016. And list of 21 persons and companies facing prosecutions. And once them Anna ABS News and so Ede Abba and Anope. The Daily Statesman. Baumia, we are ready to support creative ideas from youth. And government attains 85% success in Galamsey fight. Whoa. The Daily Statesman. Really? Mahama is more corrupt. Afro Barometer report says corruption has reduced under Akufo-Addo. The Daily Statesman, also there, or the Abba, and the Daily Guide. Nana beats Mahama on corruption fight, and police take over NDC office. MPP holds at NDC over dirty strategy, and government releases 49 million Ghana cedi for teachers. It comes with a photograph of Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, John Dramani Mahama, President Akufo-Addo, and then PPA boss replies Shraj, ABAJ, on also Infoni, Edda, any man say, come. The Ghanaian Times. The fight against Galamsey, government achieves 85% success. Lands Minister, war against corruption, we are on course. And I pay Mr. Kwekwa Sumachireme, Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, is my guest as we talk about Lands and Natural Resources Ministry. So matters on Galamsey, on government lands, on forestry. Send your questions in advance into February into na into Mr. Minister Enfamao. Senior Minister fumes over 1.3 billion Ghana cedi rice import, and we have the photograph of Asumacheme, Minister Lands and Natural Resources, and then Mr. Safo Mafo. The front page of the Ghanaian Times. Yeah, about the catalyst is also on the page. PDS fraud caused by Akufo-Addo state capture agenda, and transforming Oti region, Mahama promises Dambai a bridge. Baumia caught in PDS fraud. He ordered the dubious change of bank guarantee to insurance guarantee. The catalyst, and also there, Ode Abba. And the Chronicle, the Obakata say, Achim Ebuakwa Kotoku in battle over Nsawam Adwejiri lands. And what's front page, the Chronicle, and also Adam say, it comes with a photograph of Ochehene, I'm watching for repaying the second, and Mr. Evans, Nana Ako Frimpon Owari, leader of the group. Armed robbers rob travelers of their Bibles, and what's more, and we will use institutions to fight corruption, MPP, and I can say, and Yacha Fansuo, the Chronicle, the New Crusading Guide. Confiscated rosewood will not be set on fire, Lands Minister Anakase, as against forestry paying era also free Sir John on also some of the betuja. So MPP fights NDC over corruption claims, insists on due process. The New Crusading Guide one say NDC groups doubts JM's chances in 2020, and Akufo-Addo is not corrupt. NDC's Alote Jacobs declares. And what's Anna the New Crusading Guide so Ediaba. The Daily Searchlight essay on the recent attacks on police. Retrained personnel suggesting tank. And once Anna the Daily Searchlight there, but now we will resort to institutions in fight against corruption. It comes with a photograph of John Boadu, MPP Anakaze. Finally, daybreak. NDC has no message for 2020. And once Anna Delbacate and also Ediaba Ewan say Bijidi say why crowd also do a drink and Charles Bissiu and oh no. Confiscated rosewood would be bent. Oh, Papa, worry. No worry. And UEW Saga, Afro Brony sued. Eddie MBM, Eddie MBM, Afro Brony Munya no yet Jumo. So daybreak and also dinner there at the Abro time check. 33 minutes after 6. Higher Dwaso Nsem on Adom 106.3. Nadia and the Etiti at Asante Achem South and so.